myself, Dr. Ishwari, the department for this. Next 10 minutes or so, I will explain you what are the causes of the arthritis, what are the different modalities of the treatment, and what we can offer to the patient to make them comfortable. This is the normal anatomy of the knee, which has ligaments, tendons, and the muscles which are stabilizing the knee, as well as the bones which takes part in articulation.
Tissue called the cartilage.
This video is showing the thigh bone, which is called as femur bone with the articular surface, and the
The
leg bone.
cartilage allows the bone ends to
The
slide
movement
over each
happens
other.
between these two bones with a normal articular cartilage, and thus
It
the
also
walking
acts as a
of the
shock
knee happens.
absorber and protects
And
the bone
these
ends.
articular cartilages are the shock
There
absorbers,
is a small amount of
and we
synovial
have a
fluid
synovial fluid
present in the
inside
joint.
the knee joint
It
which
serves to nourish the
lubricates the
cartilage
joint
and
and
makes
allows
it
the
slippery.
suspension of the joint.
The joint is covered by
This
a
is the
thick
capsule
membrane
which
called
is
capsule
stabilizing the knee, which is the
and
layer
by
of
strong bands
around the
running on
knee, and
either
the
side
ligaments
called
which are there
ligaments. The
on either
ligaments,
side of the knee
capsule
which
and muscle
stabilizes the normal
around the
knee joint
joint prevent the bones
in
from moving
various
too much.
activities of daily routine. Now we will see what happens in osteoarthritis of the knee. Osteoarthritis is a basically wear and tear which happens with aging, and you can see in this picture there is a fraying and exposure of the bone because of the cartilage which is eroded, and due to which patient starts getting pain. What exactly happens in these osteoarthritic patients with their articular cartilage, we'll see one by one. First is the etiology. What are the causes of the osteoarthritis? A genetic predisposition is the one of the commonest thing in a female gender, which in the female patients, this condition affects comparatively an early age group than the male patients. Obesity, age-related wear and tear, post-trauma, and there are other types of arthritis which leads to osteoarthritis later on. What are the symptoms a patient gets when they suffer from osteoarthritis? Mainly is the pain, discomfort, associated with swelling caused secondary to the inflammation. That leads to deformity formation, restriction of the movements, and help, that makes patients difficult with managing their routine activities because of pain constantly, which is happening as a part of arthritis. How one should progress with the diagnosis of this debilitating condition in old age group? One is obviously the clinical examination, where you will find there is the deformity of the knees in a picture which is shown. There are blood tests. Blood tests are basically required in those patients which are getting secondary arthritis. I mean to say, if patient somebody has a gout and that also causes secondary wear and tear, which leads to osteoarthritis, in those patients we need a blood test. And the radiological investigations such as X-rays, you can see the difference between a normal looking joint and osteoarthritic joint. A normal looking joint, see the cartilage is very smooth with a properly synovium. But in case of osteoarthritic knee, there is a thickening of the capsule happens, eburnation means roughening of the cartilage happens, and that leads to formation of loose bodies inside the knee, and which causes discomfort and pain. I'll show you in this next video what exactly happens in osteoarthritis. This is the wear and tear of the cartilage, which is
This
seen
causes the bones under the cartilage to rub together, causing pain, stiffness,
as the
and
movements
swelling.
happens.
The bone underneath the cartilage becomes thick and grows on the edges,
The
forming
extra
spurs.
growth of the bone formation
Pieces of
happens,
bone
which
and
is called as
cartilage may break
osteophytes or
off and
spurs.
float in the joint space,
And
causing more
on
damage
movements,
and
these
pain.
roughened cartilages give rise to these small
The
bones,
ligaments slowly
and which
thicken and
overall
contract.
causes misalignment of the knee,
The muscles
and
around the joint may
gradually these
weaken
knees
and
become
become thin.
deformed, and bowing of the knee happens,
This causes
as
the
you can
joint
see
to
in
lose
this video.
shape.
Along with the osteoarthritis, one should know about other types of arthritis, which is rheumatoid arthritis, seronegative spondyloarthropathies, and gouty arthritis, which I mentioned earlier. These are the typical X-rays of a patient which is suffering from osteoarthritis, where you can find there is a reduction of the joint space and the deformity which is happening at the knee joint. These are the patients which really get discomfort because of the bone, because of the loss of articular cartilage. The bones start eroding against other bone while movement, and that gives rise to pain and discomfort. How other types of arthritis like rheumatoid arthritis, it is totally different from the osteoarthritis, which is age-related arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis is a condition where you get a multiple joint affections with multiple deformities of the hand and foot. You can see there is a deformity at the knee, which is shown in this picture. This is how the bad X-ray of this patient, where the knee is totally subluxated and deformed. The video is taking a little time. Video is taking a really long time. We'll go to the presentation. What we can do to manage this problem, which is now most of the age-related patient, they do suffer on daily routine basis. There are various treatment modalities which are available. There is always question in mind with this problem in patient who are suffering from osteoarthritis, whether I'll need a surgery, whether I can get treated with the medication, what I have to do to prevent the arthritis, and what are the medical modalities which are available. Certainly in early stages of the arthritis, a medical management certainly helps. Before that, non-pharmacological options means other than the medication, what we can do. Patients needs to be educated regarding the exercise program which allows strengthening of the muscles around the knee. In patients who are overweight, where the obesity is there, they need to work on weight loss program by doing diet and various other modalities, because the knee joints are the weight bearing joints, and because of which the more load comes. If a patient is obese and overweight, more and more wear and tear will happen over a period of time. So weight loss is, And joint protection when the arthritis happens in the form of various braces which are available, and hot fermentations, ice packs and other things. What are the medications which are available to control this condition or postpone the requirement of the surgery? Because the treatment will vary based on the type of arthritis and the severity of the arthritis. In early stages where the disease is mild or moderate form, the drugs along with the non-medical options like doing exercises, weight reduction, supports, all those things, patients requires analgesics, sometimes anti-inflammatory to control the inflammation, which is happened secondarily to the osteoarthritic knee, local application of various gels, ointments which are available, which can help the patient on day-to-day routine basis. But if patient has a severe pain and the arthritis is really mild or moderate, even the other modalities like giving steroid injections in the joint, as well as there are injections which are available which will increase the lubrication in the joint, which helps temporarily to the patients so that the requirement of the surgery can be postponed. What are the when do the patient require surgery? What are various options? All patients don't require joint replacement surgery in first stage. The joint replacement surgery is reserved for the patients who had a gross deformity and the disease in advanced stage. But before that, in a young patients, what we can offer them? We can offer them a arthroscopic procedure which in which we do a debridement which helps patients to relieve from the pain, as well as a technique called as osteotomy where the axis of weight bearing of the knee joint can be changed, which will postpone the requirement of the joint replacement surgery, especially in young patients with mild to moderate affection of the arthritis. What is arthroscopy procedure? I'll show you in this video. This is the one of the way to do a debridement.
What is the least you can make it? 10?
In the video, you
7?
can see there is a loss of cartilage of the thigh bone. The red color thing is a laser beam. With the laser beam, we are trying to polish that roughened cartilage so that it becomes smooth, and a fibrocartilage can form and patient get relief from that problem. But this is temporarily so that the arthritis is delayed and the requirement of the joint replacement surgery is delayed. But it is very helpful in the patients who are young.
Make it 10.
What is high tibial osteotomy or osteotomies? This we can offer in a patients which are younger, means age group less than 50 to 55 years with mild to moderate arthritis. And see in this particular slide, this bowing at the knee happened. Patient had a severe knee pain, but this is not the age to offer a joint replacement surgery. So to avoid that, this is the one of the modalities which can correct the alignment of the knee and help the patients to avoid the surgery. This is the in-between procedure which will postpone at least surgery by 7 to 8 years or maybe 10 years. And this is helpful because joint replacement surgery has a life, and this is something we need to offer to our younger patients with arthritis. And then the latter, where severe arthritis of the knee, then we can offer them a joint replacement surgeries. What we require for joint replacement surgery is a good backup of the hospital facilities like ICU. There should be other specialists available, where other diagnostic modalities available, and skill assistance as far as nursing and paramedical staff is concerned, as well as physiotherapy. We have this very elegant kind of vertical laminar flow which is available in our operations theater. You need to have a body exhaust systems suit which helps in these kind of surgeries, and the navigation which computer assisted surgery which helps for the making the decisions as far as the deformity correction is concerned, other than the manual navigation. What we exactly do in joint replacement surgery, I'll just show you in a video.
Is made on the front of the knee to allow access to the joint.
This is the standard osteoarthritic knee where we remove
Once the
the
joint has been entered,
destroyed
pieces of
cartilage and
diseased
the bone,
are removed from ends of the thigh
or
bone
from the
and
both
shin bone.
the thigh bone and the leg bone,
The knee prosthesis
and
is
the
then fitted
artificial
on thread
prosthesis
surfaces.
is put
It is
over
attached in a manner
these bones
that the
to
original
form
alignment of the
articulation. There
joint
is a
is
plastic
restored,
in between,
removing any
and the kneecap
deformity
is
which
also
osteoarthritis has made
replaced,
your
which
knee
is
not
an
or bowed.
optional thing. And this provides
After
patients correction of
rehabilitation,
the
in
deformity
most
and
cases,
smooth
the artificial
gliding
knee cures
movement
the
at the
pain
knee joint
and restores the range of
can give
motion of the
them
knee to
free,
nearly normal.
painless, mobile joint. What we can offer our patients is high flexion knees, because in our Indian society, people would like to sit cross-legged, squat like Indian style, do their normal activities like pujas and all the spiritual things, as well as yoga exercises. There is availability of the high flexion knee designs available in India which can offer to our patient, where they can perform all their normal activities. These are the few patients which are sitting cross-legged with these knee replaced X-rays, and this particular lady has been underwent both knee surgeries. She is comfortable and doing her all normal activities. I'll show you in next slides few patients videos after joint replacement surgery performing squatting, sitting cross-legged, and sitting on the floor. This gentleman right knee operation has been done, who has a good control on his leg. You can see he is sitting comfortably cross-legged. And even the Indian style squatting is also possible. This is not just the one patient. I'll show you another two patients also. This gentleman had a lot of problem with his knee, severe affection of the knee joint with arthritis. His left knee has been operated. And there is a problem in playing the video. Okay, this particular video is not running, so I'll go to the next video. This gentleman has been operated for his both knee replacements, and see he can sit comfortably on the floor. He was from very small town in Maharashtra and wanted to do all his normal activities. This is all about what we can offer to our patients. A multimodal approach to a osteoarthritis problem of every aging human being, where some point of the time they suffer from this knee pain, deformity, and difficulty in managing their activities of daily routine. You can, if you have any queries, you can contact me by mentioning my name, Dr. Ganesh Morir, and the webinar date at info@hindujahospital.com. Thank you. Any questions, if you have in your mind, you can ask me. Yeah. You can see Tejas is writing about, is osteoarthritis is a dangerous disease. Basically, it's not a disease, it's age-related problem which happens in every individual after the age of 60 to 65. But there are other conditions can also aggravate this arthritis at younger age, as I discussed in my presentation. Trauma or old fracture or obesity, or it's overweight, and females are commonly affected in early age group. This is not certainly a dangerous disease, but everybody with the aging is going to get this problem to a lesser or larger extent. And every patient doesn't require surgery if they maintain their body weight, they do their regular exercises to strengthen their muscles and keep their weight under control. Thank you, Mr. Brijesh Kumar. The current available joint replacement designs by the different companies nowadays, very highly modified designs are available, which provides, as I discussed, high flexion knees so that they can do all their routine activities and they last almost for 15 to 20 years or maybe a little longer based on the use of the knee by a particular patient after the surgery. But on an average, 15 to 20 years is the roughly lifespan, what I can say in a standard, because the joint quality as nowadays is such and the plastic which is available is such that can last longer in a perfectly done situation. Can see there's question from Tejas about the prevention tips and a home remedy. As such, home remedy, there's nothing but for prevention. Obviously, as I mentioned, on long-term basis, you should be keeping your weight under limits. You should be doing the exercises to strengthen your muscles, sitting cross-legged, squatting like Indian style. Those activities should be avoided in a later part of the age, that is after 45 to 50 age group. And routine calcium and vitamin D supplementation will make the bone stronger. That one can do to prevent from osteoarthritis and getting the symptoms in later part of the age group. Which are giving pain or trouble or symptoms, they are not all osteoarthritis. Because osteoarthritis is a typically condition of old age people, usually affects more than 60 plus age group people. A knee pain can be coming from the meniscus tear, maybe from the articular surface of the kneecap, where wear and tear or softening of the cartilage can happen. Even the inflammatory arthritis like rheumatoid arthritis or gout, all those things also can cause knee problem. And not just the osteoarthritis is the only reason to cause a knee pain. You can see Mr. Brijesh Kumar asking for what is the success rate of a repeat knee replacement. Yes, we do have a facility of doing revision replacement surgeries also. But before planning a revision replacement surgery, we need to evaluate the patient where the primary surgery has been done good enough for an adequate period of time. Say more than 10 plus years of means good after replacement surgery, if patient is doing well, that is considered as a successful surgery, because joint replacement is not the surgery where we are looking at a short-term results like 2 years, but 10 plus years. And we need to rule out the causes. And if the patient has a loosening of the components or any deformation of the deformity, yes, the revision surgery also can be done successfully. Before that, we'd like to rule out the chances of infection and the causes of the loosening, if there are any. My dad is suffering. If Mr. Tejas, if your dad is suffering from knee pain and he is 70 years of age, most likely he may be having osteoarthritis. There is no blood test to confirm the osteoarthritis, but there is just the standard X-rays of the knee in AP, means anteroposterior view in standing position, and the lateral view has to be done. And then you can consult us, and then according to the symptoms as well as the kind of arthritis which we can see on the X-rays, then we can guide further. Thank you, Tejas. If your father wish to consult me, he can come to my even free OPD also. With our appointment days, you can take an appointment and consult with me.